Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Guys, the wait is over. Your journey to becoming a certified teacher begins now as the Central Board of Secondary Education has officially kicked off CTET 2026 registrations from November 27, 2025 at ctet.nic.in. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news basically. So, the CTET registrations begins on November 27, 2025 by CBSE at ctet.nic.in. So, you need to first of all register yourself and then fill the application form. Over here, the procedures has been given to you for the registration as well as for filling up the application form. Have a look over here. Now, I over here want to also talk about that candidates in small towns will be able to take the test because of CBSE efforts to broaden the test network. The trends also indicate that the CTET exam 2026 will be given in 20 different languages in 132 places across the country. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोसीजर फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन, सबसे पहले आप विजिट कीजिए ctet.nic.in पे. उसके बाद न्यू कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन पे क्लिक करके अब चूज कीजिए अप्लाई बटन. एंटर योर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड द कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स इन ऑर्डर टू रजिस्टर. फिल आउट द रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म विद द करेक्ट डिटेल्स एंड आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन यू नीड टू कंप्लीट द CTET 2026 application process. Okay people, moving ahead and now talking about the things. So यहाँ पर देखिए application form को fill करने के सारे हमने यहाँ पर steps लिखे हुए हैं. Please be thorough with this particular article, the link of which will be provided to you in the description box. Exam pattern के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, for the candidates reference, over here the table has been provided to you. यहाँ पर देखिए subject child development and pedagogy, mathematics, environmental studies, language 1, language 2. So there is a total number of questions, 150 MCQs, and total marks corresponding to them is 150 marks. Let me also tell you one particular thing, that the last date to fill out the CTET registration form is December 18, 2025. So delay मत कीजिएगा, अभी start कर दीजिए form filling. सबसे पहले रजिस्टर कीजिए एंड देन गो फॉर द फिलिंग ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. रिमेंबर डियर वंस, अगेन आई एम सेइंग दैट द डेडलाइन टू सबमिट योर CTET 2026 application is December 18, 2025. You need to read the official notification carefully, complete your registration steps and download your confirmation page to secure your spot for the exam on February 8, 2026.